Hi everyone, here we are at Incom looking at our stainless steel single placard holder. So this product can accommodate a typical TDG or DOT placard that's 10 3/4 by 10 3/4. The construction of it is a stainless steel backplate, stainless steel faceplate, stainless steel rivets, and a stainless steel clip. So this is a placard that you're going to use in applications where, say, it's a stainless steel tanker and you want the finish and durability to match. You're in a harsh environment where there's corrosives and different things like that, and gives better longevity. And anywhere where you're just looking for a more finished look. So that's our stainless steel placard holder. We've also added these buttons you can see here, and that's so that the placard has a little airspace behind it, so when you're in a situation where you have snow and grit and dirt and ice, it's a little more likely you can tap it a bit and you can free it up, so it's a little bit easier to slide out of the placard holder when you get to destination. We've also added these two buttons here, right beside the low profile stainless steel clip, that act like a ramp. So when the placard's being slid up, hits these buttons, goes up over the clip, and makes it much easier to remove placards from the placard holder. So if you have any questions about any of our products, please reach out to us here at Incom, and thank you for watching.